Kadapa means the threshold, meaning the entrance to something that is lofty. Kadapa in the olden days was the entrance to Tirupati, the abode of the Lord of Seven Hills. Being a part of a rustic, majestic land of Rayalaseema in the state of Andhra Pradesh, Kadapa has a very rich historical, cultural, religious and spiritual background. The history of Kadapa abounds with ancient splendors such as the old Siddhavattam fort, Gandikota. The British rulers are enchanted by the beauty of the place. Hinduism, Jainism, Buddhism and Islam have been equally embraced by the people, showing a mark of great religious harmony and tolerance. It has produced many spiritual giants like Veera Brahmendra Swami, poet Saint Annamacharya and many others. A region full of historical, cultural, religious and spiritual abundance, Kadapa is now opening up to the challenges of modern times. Ramakrishna movement, started in 1897 by Swami Vivekananda, made its beginning in Kadapa in the very first decade of 20th century. As a fine example of religious tolerance and harmony, a pious Sufi Muslim and a famous Unani doctor, Khan Bahadur Manjumia, took the initiative in 1910 to start a Ramakrishna devotional center in Kadapa by donating a plot of land with a building for this purpose, and invited Swami Sharvanandaji of Chennai Mutt to come and bless the initiative. Thus, the Ramakrishna Samajam was started at Kadapa. Swami Shivanandaji Maharaj, the second president of the Ramakrishna Mutt and mission and a direct disciple of Sri Ramakrishna, blessed the center with his visit in January 1925 and installed a portrait of Sri Ramakrishna in the shrine. Swami Yatishwaranandaji, as president of Ramakrishna Mutt Chennai, inaugurated a hall donated by wife of Khan Bahadur Manjumia in 1927 and laid the foundation for an extension of the building in the year 1929. The Samajam started a primary school in 1947 in the Samajam building for the socially and economically deprived children of the slum dwellers. The school was later shifted to its own building in Masapet with an independent management under a trust. The Samajam also started a high school called Ramakrishna School and shifted it to a spacious site at Mochampeta. This school grew into a junior college in course of time. This also is now managed by a separate trust. For some time, the Samajam building housed the Kadapa District Library, which was later shifted to its own building near Municipal School. In the year 1953 and 54, Ramakrishna Mission undertook famine relief in this area with the Kadapa Ramakrishna Samajam as the center of the relief activities. The relief camps of the mission were highly appreciated by Jawaharlal Nehru, the then Prime Minister, who visited Kadapa, and also by many senior Swamis like Swami Veereshwaranandji, the 10th President of the Ramakrishna Order.
From the period 1953 to 1990, the center got involved in many diversified activities, but the buildings got neglected. And for taking care of the building and maintenance of the building, the religious endowment department of the government stepped in, and it was under them from 1953 to 1990.
In 1990s, inspired by Swami Ranganathanandaji A group of devotees under the leadership of Sri Ramana Reddy started the process of rekindling and reactivating the center. The dilapidated shrine was renovated by suitable reconstruction and renovation. Various activities like Vivekananda Library and Reading Room, weekly homeopathic dispensary was started.
The Ramakrishna Samaj was concerned about the future of the center, and therefore they approached the Ramakrishna Math Mission, Belur Math, for permanent affiliation. And when Swami Ranganathananji heard this their plea, he took a very lenient and liberal view, and then he proposed that it should be affiliated, and it was formally affiliated to the Ramakrishna Math
The
Mission.
affiliation point of Rayalaseema Center, the main center, it was a bit slow and not much well supported. I told this to Swami Ramanathananda, and immediately he said, Rayalaseema is a backward region, we must do something for that region, Kadapa Center must be taken over.
Swami Atmavidanandaji was posted as the head of the independent center in 2005.
This was affiliated to Ramakrishna Mission in 2004, and various developmental activities have been taken. New campus, we got 10 acres of land.
Shri G. Ashok Kumar, the then collector of Kadapa and a very forward-looking administrator, offered a 10-acre site at Putlampalli in the outskirts of Kadapa at the foothills of Palakonda, very near the RIMS campus. Located amidst hillocks, this area, though very picturesque, was almost barren, without any trace of human activity, but foreseen by the district administration as an area that had the potential to develop as an important area of the city in future. The foundation stone for the monks' quarters with temporary shrine and prayer hall at the new site was laid by Swami Smarananandaji, the then General Secretary of the Ramakrishna Order, in August 2005. Penna Cement Industries, Hyderabad, who belonged to Kadapa district, through their chairman Sri Pratap Reddy, offered a major portion of donation for the construction of monks' quarters and other basic infrastructure for the complex. The monks' quarters and the shrine were inaugurated in March 2007 by the then Vice President of the Order, Swami Atmasthanandaji Maharaj. A spacious Sabhangana along with Swami Vivekananda Mandapam was inaugurated in December 2007 by Swami Harshanandaji Maharaj, the President of the Ramakrishna Math, Bengaluru. Ramakrishna Balakashrama, free students' home for meritorious high school students studying in interior villages, was started in July 2007 with 10 boys. The Balakashrama building was inaugurated by Swami Prabhanandaji in March 2008. It has 30 boys at present. Apart from free accommodation, they are also provided with facilities like transport and uniform. They participate in games, yogasanas, shramadana, computer learning for all-round development of the personality. Dr. Y.S. Rajasekhara Reddy, late Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, laid the foundation for Vivekananda Vidyaniketan School building on May 23, 2008. The school building was completed in 2009 with major donation from Infosys Foundation, Bangalore and other donors. This building was inaugurated by Swami Veetabhayanandaji, President Ramakrishna Math, Alsur, in September 2009. The school started functioning from June 2010 and provides classes from LKG to class 3. It has facilities like spacious classrooms, play field with necessary equipment, an activity room, and a computer section. 2 school buses are provided by the center to provide transport to all the children from the town. All the children are provided with free midday meal. In 2009, an office building with generous financial assistance from Industrial Estate, Bangalore was completed and inaugurated by Swami Atmaramanandji, a trustee of the Ramakrishna Mutt and Mission and the secretary of Ramakrishna Mission Center, Coimbatore. The building houses general offices, library, book sales, and a few guest rooms. As part of the centenary of the Ramakrishna movement in Kadapa, the center has taken up various programs spread throughout the year. Renovation of the old city center building was completed with financial assistance from LIC Golden Jubilee Foundation. The centenary hall, dedicated to the memory of Khan Bahadur Manjumia, was inaugurated in September 2010 by Swami Prabhuddhanandaji, head of the Vedanta Society of Northern California. Foundation stone for the most eagerly awaited Universal Temple of Sri Ramakrishna was laid by Swami Smarananandaji Maharaj, Vice President of the Ramakrishna Mutt and Mission, in September 2009.
We request all the devotees to put their might for completion of the Universal Temple of Sri Ramakrishna that has been taken up, which will be costing nearly 140 lakhs of rupees. It is with the help of devotees only we have come so far, and we are sure with your help we will be able to complete the temple also soon.
Vidya, a value education program, was started in July 2006. This program is conducted by a team headed by a monastic member and equipped with accessories like audio-visual equipment, etc., visiting schools and colleges to conduct personality development workshops. During 2006 and 2010, it has conducted more than 160 programs all over the Rayalaseema region. The program serves the cause of an exposition to the life and messages of Swami Vivekananda through a photo exhibition and Ramakrishna Vivekananda literature. The center conducts free milk distribution program for poor children of the locality. Every year, during Holy Mother's birthday, about 100 poor women are given saris. Residential training camps for rural youth in agriculture and allied subjects are conducted by the mission periodically. 3 such programs have been conducted so far. The center also conducted 2 residential teacher training programs on value education. Antar Yoga, half-day spiritual retreat program, is conducted at new site on 3rd Sunday of every month. A weekly spiritual discourse is conducted every week for the devotees at the city center. Swami Vivekananda Institute of Spoken English. Spoken English courses at the city center was started in 2007 September for the benefit of the local youth. A public library containing religious books is open for the devotees every day. Every Monday, free homeopathy camp is conducted and medicines are distributed free of cost to the patients. As the culmination of the centenary celebrations of Sri Ramakrishna movement at Kadapa, all Andhra Pradesh Bhakta Sammelan was conducted from 8th to 10th January 2011. Around 3,000 devotees from all regions of Andhra Pradesh had zealously partaken in this congregation. Monks of the Ramakrishna order from various branches of India, Matajis of Sharada Math, and others rendered thought-provoking and awakening lectures. The Carnatic music, Hanumad Vilasamo, a puppet show, short plays by children, divine eulogies and bhajans added luster to the programs. The food, shelter and transport services managed by volunteers made everyone happy. With such diverse activities, the whole area surrounding the Ramakrishna Mission Center at Kadapa has become a truly vibrant and spiritually active region in Kadapa, attracting and inspiring people of surrounding regions. May the Holy Trio bless one and all and guide us to serve the people of Kadapa and Rayalaseema.
Yada